You've tried ChatGPT and Gemini, right? They're awesome for writing, but when it comes to creating images, not so great. There's a new AI tool that's built purely for visuals. It turns your text into realistic, stunning images within seconds. No setup, no complicated settings. It's called Whisk AI, and honestly, this might become your new favorite image generator. In this video, I'll show you exactly what Whisk is, how to use it, and how you can create eye-catching images just by typing what's in your mind. Let's get started. So, this is the homepage of Whisk AI. Right here, you'll see the text box. This is where you type your prompt or idea to generate an image. Below that, you've got some basic settings like choosing from pre-written prompts or adjusting the aspect ratio of your image. On the sidebar, you'll find a few advanced features which we'll explore in a moment. Alright, let's generate our first image. I'll type my prompt here and hit enter. Let's wait a while. And there it is, our image, generated in just a few seconds. Let's try something a bit more creative this time. I'll paste a new prompt and press enter again. Let's wait a while. And wow, just look at that. Whisk did an amazing job here. Alright, let's move to the sidebar now. Here we have three main options: subject, scene, and style. Subject is what you want to focus on. It could be a person, an animal, or any main object in your image. Scene defines the background or the environment like a cityscape, a beach, or a forest. And style decides the overall look of your image, whether you want it to be realistic, cinematic, 3D, anime, or something artistic. Now, let's say you want to edit your own photo and add a cool background. You can simply upload your image in the subject section and then enter your prompt. Or if you already have a background image and want to add a new object or person to it, just upload that image in the scene section and type your prompt. You can also use all three at the same time, combine a subject, a background, and a style for even more customized results. So that's Whisk AI, one of the most beginner-friendly and powerful image generators out there. If you want to try it, I've added the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and comment below. Which AI tool should I review next?